Akyat kami sa taas. Last day namin dito sa Zorik ngayon. Kakain kami ng breakfast and then mag-check out na kami. Madami namin, isang group kami. Grabe, oh. Ay, ginawa. Akyat kami sa taas. Alang dulas. Dito kami sa tuktok ng mountains, guys. Sa Mount Rigi. Oh, grabe. Ang lamig. Ayan, wala naman yung araw. Ayan. Ay, ginaw. Foggy. Ayan yung ano. Wala kang makita. Kasi foggy. Ay, ang ganda pa naman sana ng view. Ay, ang sarap ng hangin. Silat yung fog. Ang lamig. Pero masarap yung lamig niya. Nandito na kami sa baba. Tingnan nyo, oh, wala nang napaka-clear blue skies. Ganda ng view dito. Oh, look at the sky. So blue. Yep. So beautiful. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ang blue. Oh, ang ganda ng view. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda ng Switzerland, guys. Ay, grabe. Napaka-clear ang water dito, guys. And the sky is so clear. Yung water pristine. Oh. Napakaganda ang Switzerland. Ayan, oh. Look at the sky. So blue.
It had to be a 7-star hotel with those things they get able in there. It was renovated out there for the Christmas gifts. Because Santa Claus here is not responsible for the Christmas gifts. He's showing up, but one for the men, one for the women. If you would like up with your honey, you had to go out into the lake in the old days. Today, that thing is open. We're gonna enjoy the time together, even inside.